This is Nicky Diamonds here at Nicky Diamonds Toy Factory. Now I am in the process of reassembling the 1954 Chevy 3100 pickup. Bolting the fenders on. Getting ready to set up the grill and everything, the front bumper. Once I have everything set up, I'm going to clear the whole truck, but I want to clear it all together. So again, I want to do all my reassembling first. She'll be a looker as soon as I'm finished with her. But again, once I assemble everything, then I'm going to clear everything all at once. I find it to be a lot better for me, myself, when I do it that way versus panels. And I see I got a little scratch on it, but I'll take care of that also. That's no problem. But yeah, everything is coming along. Everything is coming along well. I'm going to go over the black again, make it look fresh, which it looks fresh now, but just want to kind of go over a few things, make it look special. So that is what I'm working on now. Also, too, don't forget to sign up as a subscriber to my channel, and you will be part of the group that will be in runnings for the 1967 Pontiac GTO giveaway. Yes, and it's only available to the subscribers to the channel, and that's just being fair. It doesn't make sense to, you know, not have it available for those that watch me day in and day out and enjoy what I do. So it's only fair to you guys to get something that I'm willing to give away. So with that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and you will see this baby come to life over the next couple of days.